Hi there, this is Lauren from NewsU. I just wanted to create a short tutorial video to show you guys how to use the language primer for your classes. It's really not hard, but there are a lot of steps, so this should hopefully make it even easier. So your first step is to go to newsu.org, and your next step is just to log into the site. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my student account to show you guys what it looks like. And once you log in, you want to click on, if you're logging in for the first time, to find the language primer for the first time, you're going to click on courses, and then you're going to search for the language primer. Okay, and once you do that, you'll see that there are lots of language primers. This is because each university gets a personalized version of the course so that the instructor can see their students' scores and they don't have to see the scores of all thousands of students who have taken the language primer before. So when you look at this list, you have to make sure to look for your university or your college. And some schools also split it out by instructor or section. So you want to make sure that you're clicking on the right one. So for this video, we're going to pretend that I go to the University of Wisconsin and that it's spring 2013. So when we look up and down the list, we see that we're right here, University of Wisconsin, spring 2013. So once you click on that, you're going to see the Language Primer homepage. And this again shows you where we are, Language Primer, Basics of Grammar, Punctuation, and Word Use at the University of Wisconsin, spring 2013. So I know I'm in the right place. This front page shows you what you're going to learn and gives you a summary of the course. Over here in the gray box, you'll see the name of the course again, and then the cost is $12.95. And most schools have students pay the $12.95 themselves, just like a textbook. So if you know you're in the right place, you're ready to buy the course, you're going to click Enroll Now. And then you'll see, just like when you buy anything on the internet, you'll see that it's in your shopping cart, and you want to just check one more time, make sure you're in the right place before you buy it. So I'm going to just click check out because I know that I've chosen the right course and I'm ready to, with my credit card, to buy it. And then here you're just going to go through any other order form, like whatever you order anything on the internet. If you have training points, you can apply those, and you're just going to go through this like a normal process to buy the course. Okay, so now that you've bought the course, maybe you left for a little bit, you went to get some dinner, you had some stuff to do, then you logged out of NewsU. So then you're going to log back into NewsU when you want to use the language primer again, and it's the same process, but you should type your username correctly. And then now, when you log in, now that you've bought the course and you're enrolled, you're going to, instead of clicking on courses like we did before, we're just going to click on My NewsU. And then we'll see the course that we enrolled in. And if you don't, you can always search for it. So I enrolled in Wisconsin. So I'm just going to search for that. Oops. Again, you should spell it correctly. Alright, there it is. So now that I see it in My NewsU, I know that that's the course I'm enrolled in. I'm going to click on it, and it tells me, welcome back to the language primer, and now I'm ready to get started. So I'm just going to show you a couple more things and then we'll be done. So this gray navigation bar on the side shows you all the different parts of the course. Once you've gone through the whole course, you may not want to go through it step by step again, so you may want to just click around. But the first time you go through the course, I recommend that you just go through it straight through. So this tells you everything that you're going to learn, who your instructors are, and then when you click next, you're in the introduction, and this goes through the essays, the drills, and the assessments. Those are the main parts of the course. So the essays will teach you about grammar, the drills will quiz you about grammar, and then the assessments are the final exams to test your knowledge of the 3 sections of the course. So the essays are self-explanatory, they're just reading. The drills are pretty easy too, not easy in content, but easy to use. So you're just going to click on drills, whichever kind of drill you want to do. So say you want to do the contractions drill, and just click on it, start the quiz, and choose how you want to, which one you want to do, and you're done. So this, in the drill section, it gives you the answer. It tells you, I clicked the wrong answer, so it's going to tell me what the correct answer is and why I got it wrong. So that's really useful. So the drill section is used to teach you guys, make sure that you are working on it and that you're learning new things. So say I'm done, I don't want to do this anymore. You can come back to the drills anytime you want to, and you can come back to the essays and reread them anytime you want. Your instructor may have specific things that you need to do in the course, and that's up to your instructor. When you go to the assessments, these are your final exams, and you'll see that there are 3 of them: grammar, punctuation, and word use. This paragraph explains what you need to get. You can take each test 3 times, and then you need to make sure that you get an 80 on it. And each attempt is timed, so you want to make sure that when you are taking the test that you're ready to take it and that you're going to have time to go through it. Some instructors may have different requirements. You want to make sure that you check with your instructor before you start the test to make sure that you are getting 75 minutes and all that stuff. And that information should be right here in the paragraph. So I think that's it. That's the last step of how to use the language primer. Your instructor will be able to see your assessment scores, but not your drills scores, so feel free to do the drills as many times as you want. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@newsu.org. Thanks. Good luck. Have a good day. Bye.